You need anything?
Hey, where are my parts?
I'll run and grab them real quick.
4 hours later.
Hey, Johnny, you doing all right?
Yeah. Hey, where's Brandon at? He went to get my parts like 4 hours ago.
Where is Brandon? I'll go see. Casey, Mattress City. What in tarnation is Brandon doing here? All right, let's go find Brandon. Dude, what are you doing? John's still waiting on his parts.
Hey man, just getting some rest.
At SK Mechanic, we can help you maintain your car, but how are you sleeping? The guys here at Casey Mattress City are happy to help. You can check them out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or visit their storefront here in Olathe.
Best in the business. Sleep hard.